Hello everybody, it is good to be back. Haven't recorded in 5 days, and so we are going to be playing some Bee Swarm Simulator. Let's pick up where we left off. They don't do very much damage. Only one? Brave Bee does 5, that's really good. What about the basic bee? 1. Ooh, I bet exhausted bee, yeah, only 1. So we're not doing too well. Okay, mushroom field and clover field, and then bamboo field. Okay, mushroom field first, because there's an enemy there that we can easily take out. Okay. Oh yeah, I haven't mentioned this yet, but we are incredibly close to the 10 subscriber goal I set this month. If you want us to hit that goal, subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. You can use a sledgehammer or whatever you want. You can punt it, just hit it. Okay. Strawberries and a treat. I can't buy an egg. Okay. I'm probably not gonna use an egg. I'm going to give the treat to exhausted bee. I have no red bees yet. Give strawberry. Oh yeah, he leveled up. That makes him better. Okay. Once they make all this honey, I'm gonna go to the shop to see if I can get anything. Oh yeah, I need to get some honey, some free honey from this jar. I want that ticket. Tickets are used for special things, but I only have 6. So I've played this game on my Roblox account that I actually played on. I've played on for a while, and well, wrong shop there. And the thing is, I know a lot about this game that a lot of people don't know. So I'm going to have to buy the magnet. It's decent, and so we won't have enough money for much. The strange goggles, oh, those are crazy. The boots, I should probably save up for. Yeah, I'm gonna save up for that. The belt is good. And the helmet is good, but that's pretty expensive. Well, we got a magnet, which is really good. And I can't jump the fence. How am I supposed to do anything if I can't even hop a fence? Oh yeah, look at that. Way better. But we're not here for this. Well, there's a moon sprout right here. This is cool. I don't get why the sound ain't on. There. The sound's on now. Very quiet though. That didn't fix it. Yeah, I don't know. But we're not here for the sprout even. We are here for this. Do any of y'all remember this from, I believe, the second video? If you do, comment down below, I remember. It's risky. I did it. But this is why I wanted to come here. A boss. An easy boss since it is only level 3. And the first one. But it's gonna get harder and harder. You can get eggs from it. The best egg you can get, a mythic egg. Oh look, these quests here. I'm nowhere close to completing most of these, but I have the quest badge. Look at that! I got so much more! That's awesome. I wonder if anyone here has ever even heard of my channel. If they have, good for them. Otherwise, they need to learn about it pretty soon. Once we hit 10 subscribers, we're going to try to hit 50. It's a lot. I think we can do it though. And let's try to get 10 likes on this video in 4 weeks. Oh yeah, and I'm sorry for not recording much recently. I'm going to be recording a lot more. And yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun on the channel. Oh, only has a tiny bit of health left. We can do this, and we get good rewards. This isn't like some little okay, not too worth it reward. This is a worth it reward. It's worth the wait to kill it. Only 9 health. So low. No. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Look at this. So much honey. Bitter berries, sunflowers, pineapples, ticket, and more honey. That wasn't as good as I remembered, but wait, actually bitter berries are good, sunflower seeds, and pineapples. Come on, really? Okay, 100. Oh, that's so good. I need to just save these up though, and except the bitter berries. I'm gonna feed him to the brave bee. Yes, he leveled up. I'm going to give this one to exhausted bee. Okay, that's nice. It's real good. We don't have enough honey for like anything yet still, so we're gonna go back to the mushroom field. Really slow. Dang, that person's overpowered. Oh, this is so good. 5 damage though. The brave bee is good, especially early game. Oh, I barely got any honey from that. What? I wasn't gathering honey. I thought I was. Well, gathering pollen. You don't gather honey. You gather pollen and then turn it into honey. Oh, poor bee doesn't like this field. It doesn't even do anything. Oh, no, I hate it when my bees run out of energy. Because that just means they're not, well, working. They need little working bees. That's why you feed them, so then they get more energy. So then they can work more. And then you can get more treats. Okay, quest. I need to feed 4 treats to my bees. I don't have any treats. How do I not have treats? Well, I just need clover field and bamboo field. If I do the clover, I just get some royal jelly and possibly a ticket. If I do bamboo, I'd probably get more. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go bamboo. Oh, I forgot the spider. He's gonna be tough. Yep, here it comes. Get him. Get him. Oh, 20 damage. No, this is not good. Another 20. No, I'm lagging. This is gonna kill me. Oh. Why does it always have to lag at the worst times? I think the connection died. Yeah, the connection had to have died. That's horrible. I can't do anything. I could be here forever. Oh, we're moving. Connection, really? Perfect timing. Okay, well, it's coming back up now. I'm eating pretzels because I'm stressed out. Okay, we are back. Took a while, but we're back. And I'm gonna claim my hive. Get back where I left off. Charge. Oh yeah, you see this royal jelly dispenser over here? It may be tempting, only 6 tickets. Don't use it. It totally rips you off. Like, only use it if you have 4 basic bees. And if you want something else. Oh man. The spider died too, and I didn't get anything. Well, I need, oh no. Well, my bees are gonna be happy. Because I have like all blue bees. And so they'll like blue fields. Oh yay. Oh, I'm already full. That barely takes any time at all. Up and away. Ooh. What do we have here, man? Boom. Yeah, I got a gumdrop. Gumdrop. Drop. What is wrong with me? Okay. If y'all made it this far in the video, comment down below, spider fail. Man, that fail was horrible. It was painful. I don't want it to happen to any other song. Cloverfield pollen. I might do that if I get good enough bag. Yo, I have an awesome bag. I can easily go to the Cloverfield. Can I jump the fence? No, I can't. Epic parkour. Yay! Jump, climb. I'm a ninja. Yo, Frosty B leveled up. That's awesome. It's also useful. Fight. Little bit workers. You know, I got a royal jelly. I don't really need it because I like all the bees I have, but it's useful to have for later. Yes. No, I missed it. I'm gonna check my badges. Almost done with the playtime badge. But any other badge? No. Well, quest badge is not too far off. Especially because my new quest that's done for Brown Bear. Oh wait, it was a Brown Bear quest. Should have done the bamboo. Great job, bud. Here's some royal jelly. You've completed 2 of my quests so far. Complete 3 more, and I'll give you 3 field dice. If you complete 23 more, I'll give you a silver egg. Looks like it's been over an hour since I gave you the last quest. Talk to me again whenever you're ready for the next one. Got a ticket, royal jelly, and some other stuff. Welcome back. You ready for a new quest? Complete it, and I'll give you some royal jelly and a ticket. Completed 2 of my quests so far, and every new quest becomes a bit more challenging. Check your quest menu to see what's up next. Woohoo! Solo Bam. Bamboo field. I already need it. What is happening over there? Something I don't know if I want to figure out. Oh look, it's a bee. Wait, not this thing again. Help me. Woo. No. I was blown into 2022. Oh, that was crazy. Well, I think it's time to empty my bag. What do you think? Glowy wormy. I'm gonna eat 2 more pretzel pieces. I need my volume up. It's not very loud at all. No, that's better. I'm gonna get another egg. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna save this for the vacuum. Bye-bye pretzels. 4,000 honey left. I need a single sunflower seed. Man! This kid died. To the bee! I'm gonna fight it. No, not that again. Again? Come on. That's just rude. Why are they coming back? Yes, 2 treats. Exactly what I need. Yay! Some honey! Woohoo! I got 1,000 honey, that's nothing. Really? 1,000? Well, at least he's not in the sunflower field. Oh no. He's in the sunflower field. I need a single sunflower seed. This is gonna be chaos. Why? Oh! Tried to prevent me from getting the seed. That's one rude bee. Rain on me, cloud. Not even the clouds like me. I should talk about today's sponsor. Nobody sponsored us. Nobody probably will ever sponsor us. Nobody's gonna ever sponsor us. We will be sponsorless. Unless someone does want to sponsor us, then, hey, hook me up. Run up to the bamboo field. Run, run, run. Oh, the boots are so overpowered. And they make it where when you walk, you get pollen. And more walk speed. Whoa, so much honey. Actually, that's not much honey at all. I don't really care though. All I'm here for? Pollen! The honey is a bonus. Woohoo! Bamboo boogie! Boogie, boogie, boogie. You are my dad. You are my dad. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Please help me. Okay. So you know that deadly secret? I think I know the trick. Well, I don't think I know the trick to being able to kill it. I'll take probably 2 hits, but that's it. Isn't the bamboo field pretty? Bamboo may appear elegant, but it's surprisingly resilient and grows fast. Good thing Panda Bear eats that stuff, otherwise it would probably take over all the fields. Anyway, here's a reward to hold you over. 9 more quests and the gold egg is yours. 2,000 honey, awesome! Some bees have special abilities. For example, the ability Red Boost increases the amount of pollen you get from red flowers by 15% for 15 seconds. Just like Geico. That ability can stack up to 10 times, boosting red pollen from red flowers by 150%. A bee with a bomb skill collects pollen from all flowers around it. If you activate multiple bombs in a row, you get bonus pollen. Hatching lots of bees allows you to combo their skills for maximum effect. Next up, collect 5,000 red pollen. Ooh, 5,000. That's pretty high. But we can do it. Once I convert this, I will go fight the king beetle. It may kill me, might not. I don't know, but he gives good rewards. Well, I'm gonna buy something first to give me, well, like a better collector. I can buy the vacuum. I have enough for the vacuum. Boom. Okay, time to go to this shop. There's a vicious bee. He's vicious. Oh, I wish I could go up there. Diamond. Okay. Go all the way over here. And behold, the vacuum. Yes, it's awesome. No, you cannot have it, little Timmy. It is mine. We shall kill the beetle. Oh, it's overpowered. Well, not really overpowered. It's actually pretty weak. Yes. But it's nice. It's good for me. Oh dear. I can't be low health for the fight because you're gonna get hit probably 2 times during the entire fight. Oh, gumdrops. Oh, get over here. Yes. Okay, so it's right here. Please don't lag on me. Oh. Oh. Here it is. There, look at that. He doesn't know where you are. Now this battle's gonna take, like, a year. Well, Yeah, this is gonna take forever. I don't know if it's worth staying alive. No, it's not worth it. I died. Okay. But it's time to do a wait. It's gonna be time to end the video. Well, number 1 thing, subscribe. Number 2, like the video. 3, comment down below. And 4, have a good one. Bye.